Welcome to Ozark Traditions TV. On this webisode, it's a year later and Grace Hubbard is still on her quest to kill her first gobbler. With the woods coming alive with several birds gobbling, and with the help from her dad Ryan and good friend Craig Carpenter, I'd say her chances are looking pretty good to fill that first tag. With the hens keeping the toms fired up, all they need is for the birds to see the decoys and come on in for Grace to get a shot.
She comes this way, we kill her. She goes the other way, we cry. It's up to you. I'd like to let him go. I think if I would come by you. Just slowly practice bringing your gun on. You gotta hear the gobbler spit. Stick gun on. Grace, take your gun to center. There's another part to the left. Push to safety button. Hurry, push it off. Grace, push. Okay. That's the dog. That's the gobbler. Shoot either one of those. Yeah, wait till they separate. Wait. Shoot the one on the left. Shoot him.
I got him. Is that the gobbler?
Honey. Wow. Right in our grills. There goes the other one. Congratulations. So proud of you. Oh my goodness. Saw that Jake? Everything went silent and all of a sudden here came two gobblers over the hill. Well, that's that. Were you on him? Did you get him, Craig? Yes. It's a beautiful 2-year-old bird. Well, they left their hens. We called them off of it.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic. We had our decoys right behind us. When they came out of the woods right there, they could see those decoys right here to our right. That is perfect. You know what? That's probably would have seen that bird anyway, but with the 360 blind, I spotted him right there in the woods. And when that Jake came in, I could hear.
They like came running.
Yeah, I could hear that other one drumming back there. Well, sis, we probably need to go get some pictures.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I only had one shell in your gun. Make sure it's on safety. You see that Jake's still in the tree up there above the blind, way up in the top. How fun is that? You're gonna pull my safer this way. Hey, me to get him? Yeah. Nice job, honey. Alright, let's walk down here.
There's one of my mascots.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah? Okay, Grace, tell him what happened this morning.
So,
Talk loud.
It's normal. It's
Yeah.
October.
we came out here, and we heard a bunch of gobbles like that way. And so, Dad called them and they gobbled a few more times. Then a jake came running out to about like right there. And then, two gobblers came out running to about the same place. And then this one was a little bigger. Dad told me to shoot the left one, so I shot the left one. And then it died.
Okay, then you got him. Yeah, let's see, we're hunting in St. Clair County, Missouri this morning. And on our farm that we own, we're right by Clear Creek. And we heard several gobblers this morning, maybe 7 or 8. Last year we were hunting at the end of the ridge, and kind of like this, a situation happened to where several birds came in at once and we couldn't get one killed. They wouldn't separate their heads.
3 of this,
Yeah. But this year we had the decoy set out on the back side of us to pull the birds across this lane. And so we waited just a few more seconds. Craig and I thought we could hear him drumming back in the woods. We just burnt this woods off 3 weeks ago. The hens have been in here. They love it. Just excellent habitat management. And all of a sudden, here came those 2 gobblers with the jake running to the decoys. Here came the gobblers running. I called, they separated their heads, and first turkey. How old are you?
10.
10 years old. Brand new blind, everything. That's awesome. You pretty excited?
Mm-hmm.
He's a nice one. Good job. That's how our season begins. 28 degrees this morning. Chilly start.
Coldness.
Yeah. Been windy. Well, we got you tagged out for the season. First turkey ever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, how exciting. Okay, let's get some pictures.
All right, everybody, welcome to the show. It's Craig. I'm here with Grace Hubbard, her dad Ryan Hubbard. We came out this morning for Grace's second turkey hunt ever. Last year we came out, and you'll be able to see some of that footage. We actually had a near miss, but It was a pretty good shot, so it was a far shot. But we got some good footage from last year, and then we came back in this morning, and like Ryan said, we're actually about 400 to 500 yards north of where we was. So as you can see, it's a quick little hunt. The toms came in with a jake. Seen the decoys come in hard. So it was a good shot by Miss Grace, our first turkey ever. So we want to make sure that we congratulate her very much.
Yeah.
And now she gets to buy us breakfast.
Oh.
So now is the fun part. We get to walk out about a quarter of a mile. So everybody, thanks for watching the show. And we appreciate everything you do for us.
Yeah. High five.
Yeah.
Good job.
Give Craig 5.
Good job, sister. Good shot.
Nice job. You smoked it. You plastered his brains. I'll show you where. Gonna walk up real quick.
Congratulations, Grace, from all of us at Ozark Traditions TV on your first turkey kill. From all of us at Ozark Traditions TV, we thank you for watching. And remember, if you see us out in God's country, stop us. We'd like to meet you.